Hi guys, this is Speak About Digital, and in this video I'll show you a simple way on how to send a quote to a client. To begin, scroll down below this video to the description and click on the first link provided. This link will take you to JotForm, a web-based service that allows users to create and manage online forms for various purposes. JotForm offers a drag-and-drop form builder, over 150 integrations with popular apps, and a range of templates and themes to customize your forms. And you also get the free account that you can test out for yourself. So, after clicking the link in the description, now you need to sign up to JotForm. You can choose to sign up with your Google or Facebook account or using your email address. Once you have completed the sign-up process, you will be directed to your JotForm account. Now, to send a quote to a client using JotForm, start by navigating to the top left side of the dashboard and clicking on the My Forms option. From there, select My Signed Documents to access your existing documents. Next, click on the Create Signed Document button located at the top left side of the page. You will have two options, uploading a document or using a template. For this tutorial, we will choose the Use Template option, which will take us to the template store. In the template store, you can browse and choose the template that suits your needs. For sending a quote, we will select the Proposal category from the left menu. This will display various proposal templates. Choose the template named One-Page Proposal Template and click on the Use Template button next to it. This will open up the template in the editor. Once the template is open, you will notice that it contains two types of fields for filling and signing. However, for sending a quote, we will focus on that specific task. To proceed, click on the Send section in the editor. In the Send section, you need to add recipients. In the Client segment, enter the client's name and email address. You can also add an access code or password for extra security by clicking on the key icon next to the client's email address. Additionally, you can include a personalized message to the client by clicking on the message icon next to the key. In the Me segment, you will find your own name and email address. If you want to customize the signing order, click on the toggle button next to Signing Order. This will allow you to reposition the signers according to the specific order in which they should sign the document. Simply drag and drop the signers to rearrange their order. In the Options section, you have the option to add additional features such as expiration date, automatic reminder emails, signer delegation, and CC recipients. Once you have configured all the necessary settings, click on the Send to Sign option. This action will send the quote form to the client for their review and signature. By following these steps, you can easily send a quote to a client using JotForm. It provides a streamlined and efficient way to send and receive signed documents, ensuring a smooth and professional communication process with your clients. And that's it. If you have any questions at all, please comment below. I try to answer all the comments the best I can. You can also watch my JotForm tutorial on my YouTube channel for more understanding. Thanks for watching and take care.